Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In our previous class, we have completed finding substring. Finding substring using four methods. We have already completed the find method in the forward direction. Today, our topic is index, which is a second part of the forward direction. Okay, so let's start index. Index method is exactly same as find method, except that if the specified substring is not available, then we still get value error. Suppose s is equal to input enter main string, then subs is equal to input enter substring. Try, the try block is applied. N is equal to s dot index subs, that means index subs ko here we are calling index subs, except value error, print substring not found, else printf substring found. Suppose enter main string. In the main string, we have enter Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. In the substring, we enter Ramesh. Then the substring is found. Enter main string Rahul Dravid, and enter in the substring we enter Virat. Then the error, the substring not found will be print. Substring not found will be print. So this is the difference between find and index method. Here is a program on index method. Let's go for it. Program to display all position of substring in a given main string. S is equal to input enter main string, subs is equal to input enter substring, flag is equal to false, position is equal to -1, n1 is equal to length L. That means we are first measure the length of the string. While true, if we get the length, then position is equal to s dot find subs position plus 1 comma n1. If position is equal to -1, break printf found at position. That means the position will be mentioned where it is found, in which position the string is found, the substring is found. So if the flag is true, if the flag is false, printf not found. So what will be the output? Enter main string Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, enter substring A, then found at position 1. A is found at position 1. See, S is in 0 position and A is in 1 position. Found at position 7. Also A is found in the position 7 and in the position 19. At the last in the 19th position, you will find the substring A. Suppose enter main string Virat Kohli, and the substring we have to find, that is R. So found at position 2. The R substring is found in the position 2. Friends, in the last class we have discussed find function of forward direction, and in this lecture we have already discussed index function. The video is up to this much. We will discuss the other remaining substring function in the next class. And if you like my channel, share my channel and comment in my channel. If you have any doubt with any problem, then you can write me, okay, or you can text me through WhatsApp. And for today, I'm ending this video. Thank you.